Hi guys, look what we got here today. We're out here checking our mango tree. It's just about ready to be picked. And we've been getting a lot of rain lately, so the grass is very much overgrown right now because we haven't had a chance to cut it with all the rain we've been getting. But we have some here. Sorry, the dogs are outside playing. We do have some that fell. Look how good they look, guys. We got one. These are the ones that fell on the ground. My dog is out here and she's so excited to be outside right now. So she's playing with her toy. But oh my gosh, guys, look at all the mangoes. These are just ones that have fallen. I hit my head on them. There's tons of them. So we have 5 that fell off the tree. And they're definitely ripe because they say once they're yellow, they're definitely good. Alright guys, I gotta do this over. I lost some of my footage. My SD card was full. I gotta get a way to transfer my videos off my phone. But anyway, so here's the tree. We're loaded with mangoes right now. So we're loaded with the mangoes right now. They're ripening up. I'm hoping to be able to come out here every day and pick a couple of them rather than have to pick them all at once. They are, this one looks pretty good. They say that once the this part here turns brown, you can see how it's green up here. Once this turns brown, they're ripe, and they have the yellowing, and if you see sap on top of them. So these are looking like they're getting pretty ripe. See how they're starting to yellow. We have new growth, which is a blessing. Get some, pushing out more leaves. Those are the ones that fell off the tree. They're nice and ripe, but see how it's got that sap on it? Once that happens, they're good to go. So hopefully that one will be the next one that I pick. We got ones up there. We have all these guys. They are looking beautiful. We had so much rain the last couple of days. So I think that helped a lot with ripening these. They're loaded, guys, so this is a blessing because like I said, our dogs love mangoes, so whatever we don't eat, the pups will be eating as a snack or a treat. So we got new growth, and our mango tree is looking good. So alright guys, so that's it for today. I am going to show you one more thing. Just give me 1 second. Okay guys, and one more thing I wanted to show you is our moringa tree. It's full of pods. Don't pay no mind to my grass right now because like I told you, we've been getting heavy rain for days now. So, but all of this tree is edible. I've told you guys before, this is like the miracle tree. And it was so weighed down, I think, from pods that we ended up losing a couple of limbs. So hubby's now cleaning that up. I want to show you. pods. Look at these pods, guys. Every part of the tree is edible. The leaves, these pods, they are edible. You can fry them up. They're really good. Every part, even the roots of this tree is edible, and it's a miracle plant. Look at all the pods. If you had one plant in your yard, it should be this, because you could literally live off of this plant alone. It has all the nutrients. But don't pay no mind to that, because like I told you, they got so heavy, so weighed down from the pods, and then all the rainstorms we've been having, that we ended up losing 2 big limbs. So hubby's cleaning this up today. And we have this one here. But look at the pods. Beautiful. So good for you. So I did want to share that with you guys, and like I said, pay no mind to my grass. We've been getting a lot of rain lately. But yeah. So you can use these seeds. You can open them up. Well, let's find a big one. Let's find a big one. Like this one here. You just break this open and you can take the seeds out, or you can cut it up and saute it. So you can either use, there's probably 100 seeds in these things. They're loaded with seeds. So you can eat the seeds as well. So, alright guys, so that's my little bit of a garden update I wanted to share with you guys. I was super excited about the mangoes, and just wanted to show you what's going on with the moringa, and that's it. Alright guys, and these here I took out from the greenhouse because the greenhouse is just not working out for us, because the soil inside there, nothing's really growing good. So we are from here on out going to be planting everything in beds, garden beds, or in pots, because direct sowing into the soil, even though we're putting compost and stuff in the soil, the stuff just doesn't grow as well. But I wanted to show you my comfrey. Look at the comfrey, it's doing really well. I got to repot that. But this was hubby's plants that he did from seeds. And look, it's going up the tree. Oh my goodness. But I wanted to show you, we got beans. Look, we got beans. So we got a lot of stuff going on out here. So we're very happy about that. So, alright guys, so if you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, stay blessed.